How to fix AirPods case not charging. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix AirPods case not charging. So let's begin. The very first step that I would like you to do is to make sure that there is no dirt in the charging port of your AirPod case. So make sure to look at on the charging port and remove all of the dirt if you can see any dirt right here. So you may take something that would go inside right here. So you may choose, for example, a hairpin or a needle and make sure to clean this out. And then you may now try charging it once again. So you may take a charger and then insert it to the charging port, and that should turn orange right here or right here. So whichever model of AirPods that you have, you may see the light right here or right here, and then that should what you call that turn into orange. So it's not turning orange right now because the AirPods that I have is fully charged. So you might check your battery status on your phone as well. So if you cannot see the orange light right here, and then you have inserted your charger, then you should try going to the nearest Apple or Mac center for more assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix AirPods case not charging. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.